All right, so let's have a look at how we can create an employee in HR365. This is a landing page for the HR team. You will see on the left navigation different modules. We have the hiring module, employees module, leave request, form engine, and so on. So under the employees, you have a button here for new employee. You will be shown this form, which is organized or structured in different sections. So you have the person details, address, role, payroll, bank details, onboarding tasks, and forms. So let's go ahead and create a new employee. We will provide the address of the employee, role. So here you can define the department, job type, line manager, employment start date, job title, and right to work. All these can be configured from the settings page. We will cover that in future video. Let's say Sarah is going to be in the sales department on a full-time job. She will be reporting to our colleague, Omar. Employment start date, let's say the 1st of April. And job title should be the sales manager. Right? In terms of right to work, again, this is configured for the UK compliance and regulations, but you can define different rights to work under the configuration section. So let's say she's British citizen. Payroll, again, here you can define employee number or auto-generated number. Payroll number can be different than the employee number if you want. Grade, let's say this is grade A and pay rate is going to be a 78. Okay, bank details. Account number and sort code. All these fields can be configured. Now, we have the onboarding tasks. The onboarding tasks will be configured from the settings page where you define the tasks and who the relevant team or person is. So, for example, we want to create a mailbox for this employee. Obviously, this will be sent to IT. We need to issue her with a building access card and we need to provide her with the company laptop and the company phone. Alright, so you can configure those onboarding tasks and you just select which one apply to this role. In addition to the onboarding tasks, you can assign some forms to the newly hired employee. The forms can also be created, and they're defined from the form engine. So you can define the questions, the data type, and any details related to the form. So forms can be something like emergency contact details, or any information you want the employee to provide before or as soon as they join with the organization. In our case, we're just going to leave this blank and then click Submit. So the employee has been created with all the information we need. If I bring this right panel, this button here on the top right, you will see the onboarding tasks. Until the employee status has changed to active, we won't have any annual leave for the moment. We see the org chart for the employee. Everything will be updated once we approve the employee. This is how you can create an employee easily in HR365.